Now we are starting paper EL 1501 unit 4 lecture 4. The topic is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. What is the meaning of hexa? Hexa means 16. Like this, binary to decimal 10, octal 8, hexa 16. In this way, we now convert the hexadecimal number into the form of decimal number. How to convert the hexadecimal number into decimal number? So for this, consider the hexadecimal number. We consider the hexadecimal number. This is our point. Left hand side H0, H1, H for hexa. H0 means LSB. The position H2, H3, H4 like this. And right hand side H minus 1, H minus 2, H minus 3 like this. The first leftmost digit from the hexadecimal point is denoted by H0. Subscript 0 defines the position of the digit. The value of H0 in decimal is H0 into 1601. H0 means H0 into 16 raised to 0. H1 means H0 into 16 raised to 1 like this, right? And right hand side we can say that H minus 1, that means H minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 1. It is like this, 16 minus 1 like this, right? So in this way 16 minus 1, right? In this way the first digit right to the hexadecimal point is denoted by H minus 1. The value of H minus 1 is H minus 1 into 16 minus 1. The decimal number of the hexadecimal number is the sum of all these digital values. For example, now see, this is the simplest form. When we are taking the example, then the thing is very simple, I think that. So I give you one example. If our number is A23 hexa, that means 16. This 16 represent, this number is hexadecimal number. That is, the meaning of this is it is equal to the right hand side mode 3 into 16 raised to 0 plus this 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus this A means 10. You know that 0 to 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is your A. What is the meaning of A? A, it is equal to A. This is up to 9. 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, D, E and F. You know that. Therefore, when we are using A, that means 10, and this 10 into 16 raised to 2. This is equal to 2560 plus 32 plus 3, it is equal to 2595. This is your decimal number, right? Now if it is equal to, second example, the number is 0.351 hexa. We want to convert this into the decimal number. Then we are writing from right hand side 3 into 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 1, but because this is after the point 351, plus this 5 into 16 raised to minus 2 plus this 1, it is equal to 1 into 16 raised to minus 3, right? So this is equal to 0.1875 plus 0.01953 plus 0.0002441, and all of this, it is equal to 0.20727. This is your decimal number. So in this way we convert the hexadecimal number into the form of the decimal. If this both, the third example is, if our value is A23.351 hexa, we want to convert into the form of the question mark decimal. How to convert? So for this, first of all we take this and then we take this, right? So this is equal to A23.351 hexa, it is equal to point this is your, I think यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, this 3, it is multiplied by 16 raised to 0, this 2 plus this 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus this A means 10, like this, see here, 10 into 16 raised to 2, and after point this 3 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus this 5 into 16 raised to minus 2 plus last this 1 into 16 raised to minus 3. This is equal to 2560. See, I am directly write down this due to this textbook, right? 2560 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1, that means 32, plus 3 into 16 raised to 0 means 3, plus 0.3 into 16 raised to minus, 3 into 16 raised to minus 1, it is equal to 0.1875 plus 0.01953 plus 0.00002441, and this is equal to 2595.20727, and this is your decimal number. So I take, if the value is 823, the value is, the decimal point is this, the value is after point, the value is this, and both before point and after point, then the decimal value we can calculate like this, right? So in this way we convert the hexadecimal number to the decimal number. This is very important. आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछेंगे ये हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर को डेसिमल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करो, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ टू कन्वर्ट द डेसिमल नंबर टू हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल, डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल. So first of all we take integer part. So you and I will give you with the help of examples integer part, how to convert integer part into decimal to hexadecimal. If we want to convert 293 decimal, what is the value of question mark in hexadecimal, right? So first of all, this 293, it is divided by 16, we are getting quotient and remainder. This is your quotient, this is your remainder, this is your 18, this is your 5. Now this 18 again divided by 16, this is your 1, this is your 2, this one again divided by 16, we are getting 0. When we are getting 0, then we stop this calculation, right? The remainder is 1, right? So this is your LSD and this is your MSD. So be careful, whenever you are getting integer part, then upper portion is your LSD and lower portion is MSD. Otherwise the upper portion is MSD and lower portion is LSD. In the same way, in octal, in binary, in decimal, same way, if the integer part calculation, the upper portion is LSD, the lower portion is MSD. What is LSD, MSD? Most significant digit and last significant digit, right? So what is the value? The answer is 293 decimal, it is equal to MSD is 1. So we write 1, 2 and LSD last digit is 5. So we write 5. This is your decimal number for integer part. What about fractional part? If for example, this is your example for integer part, this is your example for fractional part. What is your example? Your example is 0.210 decimal. How to convert it into the question mark hexa, right? So there is a multiplication. So multiplied by 16, multiplication 0.210 into 16, that is equal to 3.136. here integer part, two-way, decimal and hex. What is the value of decimal into the form of hex? Right? So here the decimal is 3, this 3. The form of hex is 3. Because you know that after 0, 1, 2 up to 9, the hex is 9. But after 10, this is your A, 11, this is your B, 12, C, 13, D, 14, E, and 15, F. So, now this 0.36, it is multiplied by 16, it is equal to 5.76. So what is your decimal number here? Half. What is your hexa? So it is not more than 9, so hexa is also 5. Now again 0.736, it is multiplied by 16, that is equal to 12.1. What is your decimal? This 12. 12, that means 12, the hexa is C, so we use C. Okay. Again, this 0.16, it is multiplied by 16, it is equal to 2.56. What is your decimal? 2. What is your hexa? For this 0 નું 0 છે, 1 નું 1 છે, 2 નું 2 છે, 9 નું 9 છે, same way 2 નું 2 છે. Again 0.56 multiplied by 16, it is equal to 8.96. Therefore here decimal is 8. 8 નું 8. Again 0.96 multiplied by 16, it is equal to 15.936. That means your decimal number is 15. 15 means F, so you have F, right? This is the fractional part, so the upper side is your MSD and lower side is your LSD. See this, if we are using fractional part, then upper part is MSD, we are using integer part, then we are using upper side is your LSD. So the answer is 0.210 decimal, it is equal to 0.35C28. 35C2F. 35C28F. Sorry, 8. 35C, and this is your hexadecimal number. Very, very clearly you understand this. So there is no problem in this type of the examples, right? I again, if both are mixed, then we are again taking the another example. We want to convert 125.201 decimal into question mark hexadecimal. How to convert this? So first of all, we take this integer part, and then we are taking this fractional part, right? So 125 divided by 16 quotient remainder the quotient is 7, the remainder ma decimal and hex 13, right? But this 13 into the form of hex, it is equal to D. Same way, this 7, it is again divided by 16, then quotient it is equal to 0, and remainder it is equal to 7. But in the form of hex, it is again 7. So we can write 125 in decimal, it is equal to 7D into the form of 16. This is the integer part. So upper portion is LSD and lower portion is MSD. LSD means we can write this value. MSD means we can write this value first. LSD means we can write this value last, right? Now we are discussing about the fractional part, right? The fractional part, (0.201) multiplied by 16, it is equal to 3.216. Here integer is into the form of decimal, and this decimal it is converted into the form of hexa. This is your 3, the hexa is 3. Now this 0.216 multiplied by 16, it is equal to 3.456. The decimal is 3. Its hexa is again 3. It is not more than 9. This 0.456 into 16, it is equal to 7.296. The 7 and 7. This 0.296 multiplied by 16, it is equal to 4.736. This is your 4 and hexa is 4. This 0.736 multiplied by 16, it is equal to 11.776. This 11, it is your decimal, and 11 more than 9, A, B, C, that means B. So in this way, in this fractional part, the upper portion is MSD, lower portion is LSD, least significant digit. So in this example, after this point, 0.201. We can write 0.201 decimal, it is equal to 0.3374b hexa. Zero point 3374b hexa. Right? So the answer of this sum is, if 125.201 decimal, it is equal to 7d16 plus 0.3374b 16, and this is equal to 7d.3374b hexadecimal. Right? So in this way we convert the decimal number into the form of the hexadecimal number. Now the question is, how to convert hexadecimal number to the binary. Now again the question is, hexa to binary. How to convert this? Right? So we know that hexa and binary. Hexa, it's binary. If our number is 0, what is your binary number? 0, 0, 0, 0. If 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. If 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. If 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Like this, 5, 6, 7. The number is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. If the hexadecimal number is 8, the binary number is 1, 0, 0, 0. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. After 10, A, B, C, D, E and F. After 10, A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? The number is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and last F, that means 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? You know that. I think you know that. Right? Now the system is very clear. From this value hexa, put the value of binary. Right? For example, this is simplest way. We are taking, if the value is 47A 16, what is the value of question mark binary? So 4, it is equal to 4, it is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. This 7 is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1. This A, this is equal to 1010. So the answer is 47A hexa. It is equal to 0100 0111 1010 into the form of binary. Simplest form. If it is equal to fractional, second example, if it is equal to fractional, then 0.26416 convert into the form of binary, then you know that 2 it is equal to 0010, 6 is equal to, according to this table, right? This table 0110 and 5 it is equal to 0101. So the answer is 0.264 hexa. It is equal to 0.00100011000101 binary. These four, and these four, right? If the mixed number, integer as well as fractional, then the third and last example, F23.6A1 hexa converted into the form of binary, then I am not explaining in detail. I write down directly F23.6A1 16 it is equal to F. F means 1111, so I write down 1111. 2 means 0010, so I write down 0010. Same way 0011 point 6 means 0110. A means 1010. And last one, means 0001. And this is the conversion of hexadecimal number into the form of binary. The last one is binary to hexadecimal conversion. How to convert binary to hexadecimal number, right? Binary hexadecimal number. So our example is, we want to convert 1000 1111 0101. This binary number we want to convert question mark into the form of hexa, right? So we will take from left hand side 4 digit, again 4 digit, and again 4 digit. So this is equal to last 4 digit, that means 5, then 1111, that means F, then 1000, that means 8, and this is your hexadecimal number 60. If there is a fractional part, this is your integer. If there is a fractional part, right? The example is we want to convert 0.0101111 0 binary 1 2 3 4 0.0101 0.0101 1110 1110 and 1 and 1, right? We want to convert this into the form of hexa, right? So what is our value? The value is 0.01011101. That means it is equal to C. Here, after the point, you convert it into the form of the group of 4. Group of 4. So first of all, 0101. So we are taking 0101. Then 111. This, right? Then next 4 is 1110. 1110, right? The last one is 1, only 1. So we are taking 4 digit because the binary 4 bit. So 1 and we add 0 0 0. This is the last one. So this 0.0111, that is equal to 0. This is equal to 5. This is equal to E, and the last only there is a 1, but we add 3 more digit because there is after 4 bits you are getting a number, right? 1000, that means it is equal to 8, and this is your hexadecimal number, right? So be careful, you choose first 4, last 4, next 4, and if there is a last 1 or 0 or whatever, then you make it 4 bits with the help of 0. Now we are mixing the integer and fractional part. For example, our next example is 10100 101.0110101. This we want to convert into the form of hexa. How to convert, right? So for the most, we are taking integer part. It is your 101001011. So take from left hand side to 4, 1110. This is your one group. 1001, second group. 01. 01 means next figure is 0 0, right? So we convert this like this: 0 0 1 0, 1 0 0 1, and 0 1 1 1, right? So this is equal to this is equal to 2, this is equal to 9, and this is equal to 7, and this is equal to hexa. Here by adding 2 0 to the left. What about fractional? Zero point 0.0110101. So again, after point 4 digit 010, then 101 3 digit. So we add one more 0 to the right hand side. So this is equal to 0.01101010. So this is equal to 6, and this is equal to A. So our part it is equal to 0.6A16, right? Here by adding 1 0 to the right. So the final answer, it is equal to 101000011.011001. It is equal to 297 hexa plus 0.6A hexa, and this is equal to 297.6A hexa, right? So in this way you convert the binary number into the form of the hexadecimal number, right? So I give some of the example. This is your homework. Convert the following decimal number. Convert decimal number into hexa. 214 decimal, 0.356 decimal, 214.356 decimal. Convert this into hexa. This is your homework, right? That's all. Thank you.